My question is for Hyacinth and Gab. Looking back at your time as Elise and Sevi in Chasing in the Wild, ano ang pinaka-na-miss nyo about working with each other?
Hello? Hi, thank you so much for your question. I think the thing that I miss the most about working with Gab as Sevi and Elise is I really do miss our working dynamic together. It's something that I appreciate about the both of us a lot. We've always made sure to be on the same page since day one, make sure that our communication is on point and that, you know, like whatever challenges that may come in our way, we know that we are a good team and that we can work well together to figure things out. I love working with Gab, and yeah, I definitely do miss that.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time to be here for the media and for the fans and sa lahat ng efforts nyo. And for the question, siguro pinaka-na-miss ko working with Haya is, you know, just seeing her almost every day kasi we used to work together every other day and ngayon we barely see each other na. Pero yung dynamics and the chemistry, especially nung nagsistart pa lang yung LV na story, nagliligawan, yung nag-e-effort pa, gano'n, diba? So, siguro yun yung pinaka-na-miss ko the most. Thank you.
Since Chasing in the Wild ended, paano nyo patuloy na sinusuportahan yung isa't isa at ang ibang members ng Univercada as the franchise moved towards its final installment?
We just support each other, just being there for each other, and then syempre, every book we wanted to, you know, to give the spotlight to everyone. And pag kailangan nila ng tulong or kailangan nila ng kausap, nandito lang kami to support each other. And yun yung na-appreciate ko sa Univercada is, you know, we bonded like a family.
Yeah, one thing that I loved ever since the first, or I mean at least the first book that I was present in, which was Safe Skies, was that nothing ever felt like a competition between anyone. Everyone is genuinely so supportive with each other and is such a family. And that's something that I really appreciate. Whatever we need, even the smallest thing, we can just ask. And everyone's here for each other. So,
Thank you.
Great, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin from Radar PH, Kiko Escuadro.
Hello po! Hi! Question ko po for Heaven and Marco. Hello! Hello! Fun question muna. Bakit ang sweet nyo?
Wala, nag-miss ko lang. Okay lang ba yun? Okay lang ba yun? Pwede magtanong, Evan, na-miss mo ba ako? Madali naman yung sagot. Oo, hindi na eh.
Heaven, no comment.
Kailangan mo ba ng tissue? Sandali.
Bert, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Ano na lang,
Oo naman, syempre mamimiss. Hello, ilang years din naman kami magkasama. And yes, namiss ko si Mama.
kayo yung pioneer dito sa book, how do you feel kayong dalawa na eto na, final chapter na yung story ng book? Kayo yung pioneer, tapos ngayon ending na, anong pakiramdam niyo?
Siyempre saan? Yung ako sa daw. Hindi ko lang sa'yo.
Oo naman, syempre. Syempre, sinimulan namin yung university series without knowing na ganito pala siya magiging kalaki. And marami kaming mapapasayang tao and mag-grow up din with us. And so, feeling ko like masaya and malungkot at the same time. Kasi syempre, ito yung mga kasamahan ko na gusto ko sana hanggang sa pagtanda akong gagana. Pero ganun talaga, last book na, kailangan na mag-bye-bye. But grateful na ako yung napili as Luna. And so,
Okay. Marco, dun sa series nyo, sa first, yung road mo si Calix, and
Yes po.
naghintay siya ng 10 years para kay Luna. Handa ka bang gawin yun in real life?
Listen. I think everyone here knows what happened between us. You know, we're exes and everything. To be quite honest with you, I would like to not put too much pressure onto that topic, just because obviously as exes we had that phase na medyo nagkakainitan kami, so parang ngayon parang mas sobrang okay na kami. As in, walang galit, walang kahit ano, so we're really just, I'm happy being around you. I mean, the others seen it, and it's fun to work with you, so work na lang muna tayo, okay lang ba? Pero I'm really just, I'm happy at the state that we are now, and let's see wherever it leads. Yeah.
Kay Heaven, connected sa question, yung role mo si Luna, tapos naghintay si Calix, ikaw ba handa kang pabalikin yung naghintay sa'yo?
oo naman. Pero syempre, I mean, 10 years din yun So 10 years na ang dami ng pagkakaiba, kumbaga, yung growth nyo. So, oo, kung pinipili nyo pa rin yung isa't isa after ilang years. And, oo, kung ibang tao na kayo talaga. Like, syempre hindi ka naman pwede pumasok ulit ng relationship niya, let's say second chance. And then, expecting na different yung outcome, di ba? So, dapat, by that time, kung magkakaroon kayo ng second chance, dapat nag-grow na talaga kayo, and mas mature na kayo, kumbaga. And you choose each other. So,
Ano ang comment mo na sinabi ni Marco na walang pressure, masaya lang?
kasi ayoko naman din may maghintay sa akin. Syempre gusto ko kung sino man yun, gusto ko, you know, he lived his life, or, I mean, di ba, para he grows then and he's happy living his life, that's okay lang. Pero if you guys are really meant for each other, I believe na itatadhana rin. So, yes, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, great questions as always. Thank you so much. Now from